anytime. It would be only allowed only till the gate, and after this it would not be allowed, but you can enjoy the natural scenery and the hillocks here and the lake over there. See, this is elephant
corridor.
Go down here, and elephants can go in the top. Iron rods here to protect from elephants. 2 days back. Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. It's a travel vlog, forest vlog. So we are planning for a trip to Sambapura, and it's a weekend Saturday today. So,
Where is Sambapura?
So it's near Kanakpura, Satanur, and first we will be reaching Satanur, and then we would be traveling to Sambapura. So day before yesterday there was a news about Sambapura where elephants were spotted and all that. So we thought that we will reach there and give a visit and find the natural sceneries over there. So since it's a Saturday, but still the traffic is more here, if you see. So we are near, we have started from Mahadevpura and we are near, I think somewhere near Kartik Nagara. Electronic City Road flyover, and we will be taking the nice road for the Kanakpura road. So the route is that we would be taking the Kagalipura, and then through that we will be taking the Kanakpura, and then Satanur, and then Sambapura. So I think we may reach around 3:30 there. So I think that would be a best time to see the animals if we encounter any. Here at Electronic City, yeah, the roads are straight, clean, full industrial area. So we have crossed nice road and all that. Check out the shops here. Beautiful. See, this is elephant
Corridor.
overpassing. So the elephants can pass on the above, and it's the elephant corridor, and guys go down here, and elephants can go in the top. So area called Kagalipura after Sri Ravi Shankar Ashrama. So this is a new forest range, Sambapura, near Kanakapura, Satanur. Hillocks here on the Kanakpura road. So I want to show it in this DJI camera vibrant colors mode here. If you see,
This is Kanakpura to Satanur road.
the sky and the greenery here, it's really amazing. It's on the
Kanakpura and Satanur road.
Yeah, Kanakpura, Satanur road. Serial is called Sambapura. Beautiful fonts here. We are getting inside this Sambapura. If you look at this greenery, dark green here, and then this is where we are. So it's full of greenery, and we spoke to the villagers here. So they are saying that there are a lot of elephants over here where it would come inside, and we are not allowed after 6. And even if we get inside the forest, we have to come before 6 o'clock outside. So look at the greenery and the foothills here. It's beautiful. So this is Harihara Doddakere, and a beautiful Harihara hillocks forest here, Sambapura forest. Oh my god. Okay. This is the close-up on the lake. That's the beautiful scenic view. I think elephant might not allowed to get inside the water, allowed to get down in the forest area. Look at this forest here.
Already.
Looks like we cannot cross beyond this. I'm not sure. The beautiful elephant corridor here. This is Basavanapetta forest.
Greenery.
So my husband has gone to inquire about the forest openings and whether we are allowed inside the forest to visit. Allowed to go inside the forest because of the incident happened 2 days back. Iron rods here to protect from elephants. So the crops to protect from elephants. So that farmers have built, even the forest department have built these iron rods to help the farmers from elephants. So that's the beautiful forest here. Basavanapetta forest.
See how thick it is.
Yeah. Beautiful dense forest. So hope you enjoyed my vlog for today, and that's all about Basavanapetta forest. And even if you come anytime, it would be only allowed only till the gate, and after this it would not be allowed, but you can enjoy the natural scenery and the hillocks here and the lake over there at the Harihara, and you can have a very nice time during the weekends. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.